What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we're gonna be checking out some of the weirdest, craziest, most teched out headphones that I could find today in 2023. So let's get to it. Now, I already know, if you've been online, chances are you've probably seen these guys. These are the Dyson Zone. They look insane. So what are we looking at here, right? Well, check this out. So of course, these are a pair of over-ear headphones. Now, these are made by Dyson. Dyson makes some really almost over-engineered products. They're really high-end premium stuff that a lot of thought and engineering will go into. And of course, they didn't hold back on their first pair of headphones. Now, if you're familiar with Dyson's products, they make a lot of air purifiers, fans, humidifiers, all kinds of stuff that use air purification systems. And they decided, why not throw it into some headphones? And this is what they came up with. So we got these over-ear Bluetooth headphones. We've got this visor that magnetically attach, and pretty much this is it.
So easy.
Now the idea here is that this is like a contactless system, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but that filtration system is actually built right into the ear cups. As you can see, these are the filters. Let me turn this down. So it's got its vents and its fans and all that in the ear cups, and it all comes out through here as it goes through the visor and gets delivered to your face. You can use it with or without the visor, but that's up to you. Right now, it is currently sending air into my nose, my mouth, and this is great if you live in like New York or somewhere with a lot of smog. Oh man, there's an echo. Can you guys hear this? Well, you guys probably can't hear this. This is.
I hear the fan though.
You hear the fan?
It's pretty loud. Can you hear it?
Yeah, I can hear the fans whirling right now. Okay, even if we turned on noise cancellation mode, you still kind of hear it. Let's see what happens if I play some music. Can you hear the music? I can't hear you. Huh? Oh, actually, this is conversation mode. Let's turn this down.
Oh.
And now it turns on transparency mode so I can hear what you're saying. Oh. So it's like, I don't want to be bothered.
I will break you.
Oh, did you say something? That's kind of how it works. What were you saying?
No, I was going to say it seals the music pretty well.
Oh, so there's no like noise?
No, I can't hear any of
No leakage.
No.
Oh, but you hear the fans though.
I hear the fans.
Huh. So this is it. This is the Dyson Zone. The visor is adjustable. The air that it throws into your face is interesting. It's got an interesting smell to it. Can't exactly put my finger on what that smells like.
It smells clean.
Maybe it smells clean. I'm from New York. I don't know what clean smells like. Clean air, I'm not used to it. I don't go outside. It does have an app too, so it can see what kind of mode you're in. Right now I'm in conversation mode. I'm in isolation mode now. You can control your sound quality and the equalizer, and you can see the air quality you're getting outside. So yeah, this is crazy. It's interesting. It's got some cool features. It's $1,000. Now, I had no intention of recommending this because of the price point and also because it's so niche. But after watching Marquez's video featuring the things that the doctor said, there's probably a really low chance that even I use these after having bought them myself. But yeah, this is definitely one of the craziest headphones we will see maybe for even a couple of years, but definitely the wildest in 2023. So next up, we've got something interesting. I've never seen these before. This is gonna be my first time trying it actually. These are a pair of earbuds by Ambi. And when I saw these, I was just like, how does this even exist? So what we've got here, you guys, are not just earbuds. These are what they call ear cuffs. So these are called ear cuffs because they basically cuff around your ears. So you're supposed to cuff them to your ears like this, kind of like those different ear piercings that different people have. This is it. I can barely feel them. They're not moving.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Let's see what it's like to listen to some music from them. Now I'm assuming everybody's gonna be able to hear this.
Yeah, I can hear it.
You hear it, right? It's
Clearly.
not that loud though. Okay. Absolutely no bass. Yeah, no. Oh, this is, I mean, when you bring them down a little bit, it's a little bit better. You hear it pretty well. So this is gonna be annoying if I'm next to someone. But how secure is it though? I mean, they're not budging. They're locked in. This is not bad. You know, let's see what Carl has to say. Carl, come check these out. Check out these new earbuds. It looks nice. You like it? Would you rock this? Come try these out. Come try these out. Still haven't quite figured out where they're supposed to be placed. Yo, why do these look so much better? Like, I don't know what they look like on my ears, but I feel like they fit your ears. Is this how they looked on mine?
No.
No? For real? That is pretty loud.
Okay.
What'd you think?
Sounds terrible.
Oh, Ari's calling me. Hold on now. Let me answer the phone with these. Oh, they don't look that different, you guys. Haters.
Hi.
Notice anything? Yes, on my ears. You don't seem like you care. Anyway, Ari wasn't impressed. She barely noticed them, but maybe that's a good thing if you want to have something super low key. But as soon as you turn them on, people are going to be able to hear it, and it's not as low key anymore. So now next up, we've got something pretty cool, and that's these guys right here. These are the JBL Tour Pro 2. Now, at first glance, it looks like well, not really. At first glance, it looks like there's a screen on the case, and there is. This thing has a touch screen built right into the charging case, and you can unlock it just by swiping, and you get access to all kinds of different controls. So first of all, like I said, a pair of truly wireless earbuds. So here they are. What do we think about the looks, you guys?
They look pretty good.
Now, like any pair of premium truly wireless earbuds, they've got some touch controls on the sides. But the big thing with these is that you have a ton of controls right here on the earbud case. So you can see the percentages for each earbud and the case itself, and even the time of day. You can control your music right here. You can control your volume. You can also change whether or not you're using active noise cancellation, ambient sound, and you can even change the equalizer settings. You have a timer. You also have spatial sound, screen brightness, and it also has lock screen wallpapers, which is wild. This one looks pretty good. But I like this. I think this is a really cool feature to have built into the case. Did you guys see that Apple patented something similar to their AirPods case?
Interesting.
Do with that what you will, but that would be really cool to see in AirPods in the future. But JBL Tours did it first that I know of, so kudos to them. This is pretty dope. Audio quality wise, I'm not gonna lie, these are really impressive. Oh snap, I actually really like this. If you guys are interested in like a dedicated review of these, let me know if you guys want to see full-blown videos. But as of right now, these are probably one of the most teched out pair of Bluetooth in-ear buds that I've seen so far, and I'm for it. I like these a lot. These are like 250 bucks though, so they gotta be good. So next up, you guys, we've got the OpenMove by Shokz. So these are not necessarily like brand new headphones, but they're still one of the, I think, craziest concepts that we've got here in 2023, sort of. So basically, these are bone conduction headphones. I guess we'll call them headphones, they're not earbuds. So the idea here is that these, instead of going inside of your ear, they send vibrations through, I guess maybe like the front of your ears. They rest on your cheekbones, and they send vibrations through there to deliver the sound. Kind of like what we saw with the ear cuffs. It leads to an open ear experience. So if you're doing, I don't know, like outside activity where you're jogging or something, you might want something like this so you're aware of your surroundings. You're not completely isolated from the world. But one thing that I do find interesting though with these, because it's like really heavy on the vibration, bass sounds pretty amazing. So like if I were to play a bass heavy song, but I will say these are leagues better than those ear cuffs because there's like actual bass to it. There's a way fuller sound, but it's not the same as wearing like a pair of truly wireless earbuds or over-ear headphones of some sort. But it has its place.
How secure are they in your head?
I wouldn't be worried about this at all. So I like these. I wouldn't take a call with them since everybody's gonna hear your conversation. And they're not super expensive. This was like 70 bucks or so on Amazon. It's not bad. So next up, we've got another pair of Bluetooth headphones. These are from Adidas. So who knew Adidas made Bluetooth headphones? But this is their Bluetooth headphone, and it's an interesting one. Now you might be wondering, okay, Judd, what's the crazy tech in this one, right? Is it the design? Not really. These have a pretty standard on-ear headphone design, not over-ear. So they're on-ear, they rest on the ears. But what's different about these is that they're solar powered. So instead of taking a cable to them to charge them up, if you like going on jogs, you might not ever need to plug these in again. So the idea here is if you're out and about, you're being active, they'll actually charge right up top. You guys can see it has this layer at the top. This is where it'll charge with solar power. If you're really active and you jog during the day, this thing will keep itself charged just by being outside. And the benefit of it being on ear instead of over ear is that it's got like really tight clamping force. So they're gonna stay on your ears really well. You can jog around. Now, these are also IPX4 splash and sweat resistant. So if you're running around, you're sweating on these, it's okay. You can actually, I think, pop these right off and wash them out, throw them in the washer, whatever you gotta do to get them clean, and you're good to go. And you can do that for the bottom part of the headband as well. You can wash all of these different things, which is nice considering they're made of fabric. Now, what's also pretty cool is that it's got this little button right here. So if you're wondering how much juice you're actually pulling in from the sun, there's like a little indicator on this side. As you can see, we've only got one little dot, but if we were to go outside, let's check it out. Now, if we come out here in the direct sun, we press that, you can see all of the lights are showing in the indicator. I think the feature is cool. Useful, meh. Maybe if you got it resting somewhere and you're like, is it actually getting charged over here? Let me double check. Even though it uses USB Type-C, if you know you're in a pinch. Carl, if you could never charge your headphones, if you never had to charge your headphones again with a cable, would you pay $170? You gotta solar charge it.
Yeah, that sounds interesting.
That's a no. There was no confidence in that response at all. 150? Fair enough, fair enough. But that about wraps it up, you guys. A lot of interesting earbuds and headphones. I mean, I don't think anything's gonna be topping this guy in terms of how wacky or teched out the headphones will be, but I'm interested in seeing what the future brings. Let me know with a comment down below which was your favorite or at least more suitable to your lifestyle. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. You wanna try it on? Go ahead.
It gives me like Voltron vibes.
Voltron? I mean, I hear you. Like Power Ranger-esque.
Yeah.
So it goes like this, and then just, well, that's a little too high. I'm surprised at how high it sits. No, yeah, no, that kind of makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Thinks he's a Power Ranger.